Two-factor authentication not working on Zogo App Fix. If you're having trouble with two-factor authentication on the Zogo app, you're not alone. Many users face this issue, especially after updates or device changes. The surprising truth is, most of the failures have simple fixes that take less than a minute to solve. Two-factor authentication, or FA, protects your Zogo account by verifying it's really you logging in. But when those one-time codes fail, the issue usually comes down to time settings, app updates, or network blocks. Start by checking your phone's date and time settings. Go into your system settings and enable set time automatically. The codes are time sensitive, and if your clock is off by even a few seconds, your login attempt will fail. Next, make sure your Zogo app is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can lose sync with the authentication system. After updating, restart your phone and try again. If you're expecting a text verification code, but never receive it, turn off Wi-Fi and try using mobile data. Some networks or FBs block automated text messages. You can also try toggling airplane mode for 10 seconds to refresh your connection. If you're using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, open it and make sure its time is synced properly. You can usually find a sync time for codes option in the app settings. If the code still doesn't work, log out of Zogo, uninstall the app, and reinstall it fresh. This clears any old cache or corrupted data that could be blocking FA. And if you've recently switched phones or changed numbers, tap Can't Access Two-Factor to go through Zogo's secure recovery process. Once everything's synced and updated, your two-factor authentication should work flawlessly again. Remember that extra code might feel like a small step, but it's one of the strongest shields protecting your personal and financial data on Zogo.